Hiya! These days we're flooded with deliveries. It's really easy to lose track of what's what. One simple logo on your packaging can fix all that. Your customer will know where your goods came from, and more importantly, know where to go if they want more. Adding a logo or image to your packaging is super easy with Packhelp Studio. Just upload, drop, and drag. Come on, I'll show you. Let's start with uploading a logo. Pick either a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG file. I prefer vector files like PDF and SVG. Why? With the vectors, you can make your logo as large as you want without worrying about resolution or print quality. But even with other files, you always have a guide to give you your heads up when you hit resolution problems, or when you cut it too fine to the edges. You can drag and drop your logo to any side of your box. Even inside if you want. Move it absolutely anywhere, or choose perfect symmetry by aligning vertically and horizontally. Resize your logo and keep proportions with one click. No need to upload another file for multiple logos. Just hit duplicate for a perfect pair. Bring forward and back. Frame it with shapes and backgrounds. Then play with colors. And what about images? The exact same process. Upload, drag, and drop. That's it! Your own branded packaging in just a few clicks.